Welcome to Berry Life, bringing you easy, delicious, vegan and vegetarian recipes every week. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Today we're going to be making leek and potato soup, or potato and leek soup. However you say it, it's going to be delicious. It's a one-pot recipe that comes together in minutes. For this, we're going to need 2 leeks. We're going to use the white part at the bottom. We'll also need about 6 to 7 medium-sized potatoes, some vegetable stock. Feel free to use water instead. Fresh cloves of garlic, a twig of thyme, a large bay leaf, some chives, a shallot, some olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of truffle oil to drizzle on top. It's optional. Before we start cooking, let's prep the vegetables. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to help support our channel. And if you try this recipe, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. We'll start by roughly chopping the chives. All of the vegetables will cook in one pot, so we don't need to be too concerned about how we chop the vegetables. Now we'll mince the garlic. The more we chop garlic, the more the garlicky flavor comes out. Now we'll roughly chop potatoes into even pieces. By cutting them into roughly same size pieces, you'll ensure all the potatoes cook evenly. Once cut, we'll place them in a large bowl of water to help prevent oxidation as well as remove excess starch. Slice the shallots into thin strips. The thinner the slices, the more oniony flavor will be infused into the oil. Finally, we'll chop the leeks. We want to get rid of the fibrous green part at the top, and then slice the leek open lengthwise. Cut only 3/4 of the way through. This will hold the leek together. During cleaning, under running water, clean all the dirt from the layers. Also be sure to wipe down the cutting board and your knife of any dirt. Now that the leeks are clean, go ahead and chop them finely. Heat up a large pot over medium heat. We like to use our Dutch oven for this. Add the olive oil and allow it to heat up. Then add the shallots. Once the shallots have softened a little bit, add the leeks. Allow the leeks to sweat a little bit, and then add garlic. Mix in the garlic, and then add the chives. By adding ingredients one at a time, we're creating layers of flavor. This helps each ingredient shine in the final product. Oh man, look at those beautiful greens. Now we'll add a bay leaf to combat the sweetness, and thyme for a floral note. At this point, we can rinse and drain the potatoes and any excess starch and add them to the pot. With the potatoes in the pot, now we'll add the vegetable stock. We'll give everything a nice stir and then add the salt and black pepper. Combine everything and bring the soup to a boil. At this point, we can increase the heat to high. Now that the soup is boiling, we'll go ahead and place the lid on top, lower the heat, and cook it for about 20 minutes. We want the potatoes to be fork tender. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's check the potatoes. Using a fork or a spoon, check to make sure the potatoes are cooked all the way through. That's perfect. We'll go ahead and turn off the heat, remove the bay leaf, and let the soup cool before we blend. The soup has cooled slightly, so we'll add it to our Vitamix and blend it to a smooth consistency. Due to the amount of soup in this recipe, you'll probably need to do this in 2 batches. Along with the chives we've already added, we're going to add some more for color and flavor. This is the perfect consistency. Now we can serve. We'll pour ourselves a healthy portion in a large bowl. This soup is creamy, it's velvety, without any additional butter or cream required. Not only is it healthy, but incredibly satisfying as well. We'll just top it off with some chives, along with a drizzle of truffle oil, and a few shakes of black pepper. There you have it, leek and potato soup. Let's dig in. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more great content, be sure to like and subscribe to help support our channel. Hit the bell icon for future notifications, as we'll be uploading more great recipes every week, and you don't want to miss out. If you tried this recipe, please tag us on Instagram at BerryBerryLife. We'd love to hear from you.